So the first thing I'm going to show you in Google Documents is I just want to show you how to get to it and just give you an overview of the interface. So if you're signed into your Gmail account, there's a link to Google Documents right here up at the top left. You can click that. You could also just navigate to docs.google.com. So this is it. This is what you'll see when you sign into Google Documents. And this page is basically where you can organize all your documents and kind of make broad changes to multiple documents at once. So you see up at the top, just like Gmail, you got links to other Google products, and then you got your search, and you can search all your documents or search the web. You should see your email up here because you're signed in. And you've got some buttons right here. This is to create a new document or folder. There's the upload function, which I'll talk about in another clip. The moving to a folder. Here's the option to hide, which means you can hide documents from your main view right here. They'll still exist, but you just won't see them. And you can delete, rename, and more actions. I'm going to go into detail about all these things later. And then on the left here is kind of where you have your organizational things, or different views, basically. So you can view by documents created by me, opened by me, starred, etc. And then here are your folders, and I'll show you how to make folders and how to organize that later. You can view by type. So if I just click by this, I'm only going to see the documents. If I click right here, I'm only going to see spreadsheets. And so whatever I click over here, I'm going to see in this window right here. And I'm going to, like I said, I'll go into more detail about how to organize all this. I'm just trying to give you an overview of the interface. So if I click on all items, I'll see everything I've created. And then you can just see you've got all these right here. You got your name, folder sharing, and then the date created. And they've got little icons that represent what's what. This is it says spreadsheet right there, but it's actually mistitled. Let me actually just show you how to rename that real fast. This should be a presentation. And the presentation is a lot like PowerPoint. And I'll go into more detail later about that. And then here's a little icon for a spreadsheet and for a document. So that's the kind of an overview of the interface. And I'll be going into more detail about how to use this organizational part of Google Docs right here. And then, of course, I'll go into detail about all the different documents you can create and what you can do with them. So I'll do that in the following clips.